You don't often see welds as smooth as the DP200 at this size and price range. It gets your job done easier and quicker, leaving you more time to be with the ones you love. While welds can be predictably smooth, life is not. Sometimes life may go completely out of control. It may hit you hard, break all your plannings. You may feel helpless in front of the debris that life has left behind. You may not even know where to start. It surely takes courage to put it back. Many important choices of our lives are not planned by us. They come to us instead.
In the well I dug myself, 'cause I fell under that spell.
The DP200 is for both the pros and the beginners. It's easy to pick up and use. If you think you can do it, you can do it. And you just do it.
On its way, way too late.
Jennifer.
A great companion is invaluable.
I will survive.
Cherish everyone around you as you welds on.
I will find a lifeline.
While DP200 is definitely not the most fancy, most powerful MIG welder out there, it sure is one of the easiest and smoothest to weld with. We are excited to make you a great work companion again that grows with you.
Survive one more time.
Thank you for choosing YesWelder.